Today is the day. My first time going to a Disney park, any Disney park. And we're starting with the Magic Kingdom in Disney World, Orlando. Now, I've been to plenty of theme parks, but never too keen on Disney because it seems like it's designed for kids. I never went as a kid, so I thought my boat had sailed. Magic Kingdom, let's see what you got. First, let's talk about getting there. We stayed at the Dolphin Resort. It's technically not a Disney hotel, it's a Marriott, but it's close enough that I might as well count as a Disney hotel. We walked about 10 minutes over to the Boardwalk Hotel, which is an official Disney hotel. That means their buses go directly to the front entrance of Magic Kingdom. Because Dolphin is technically not a Disney hotel, their shuttles will get you to the ticket center, which means that's another monorail ride away from the actual entrance. So, to save time and hassle, a little bit of a walk over to the Boardwalk Hotel was worth it. After about a 15-minute bus ride, we're there and we're ready to go. We got off the bus at about 11:30. The security checkpoint was pretty quick, so we're into the park by 11:35. And I gotta say, something about this park, the pageantry, the details, make the vibe better than other theme parks. Well, enough of me talking. We got the day ahead of us, so let's head up some rides.
Fellas like me snuck up on me and I've never even noticed. I'm telling you. Wait up. Oh no, not you guys. Wait, I'm sorry I didn't notice them sooner, but I know these guys. Hey! Stop. Wait up. Oh, look down here. Everybody. That's elephant. Hey, we need that for me. Now, real quick, we're gonna do a fun fact. Elephants actually have amazing. Okay? Yeah, I did not think so. Man, that's tough. Hey. Oh no, everybody. We're in a hippo pool. Wait, play this safe. These things already got one of the boats. They know what they're doing. These guys, they're stationed there to watch. That right there's the eighth wonder of the world itself. The beautiful, colossal, backside of water! Yes, indeed, the backside of water. The crowd goes wild. I appreciate. Hey, too late. We're moving on. Oh, whoa! Ain't no way. Everybody, check. We have made it.
Now, this is your first time in the monster world. There are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. Yo, well.
Let's grab it.
The ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare.
After 11 hours and 17 rides, we're done with Magic Kingdom for today. All I gotta say is, the day far exceeded my expectations and I had a lot of fun. We were efficient with our time and we got a lot done, but we also took the time to enjoy everything that was around us. We went shopping for trinkets, we even took the time to go outside the park for dinner and then come back. I might make a separate video on the timing of everything that we did for the day. But for now, we're tired. We're gonna go home because there's 2 more days ahead of us. I will leave you with the fireworks at the end of the night.
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a chain that we're meant to fly.